In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in Google Docs and link to a website directly from your document. Welcome back, everyone, to another tech tutorial. Whether you're wanting to make your document more interactive, provide references, or simply tidy up a few URLs, I've got you covered with two straightforward methods. Stick around and let's make your Google Docs more efficient together. So let's kick things off with the first method. It's what I like to call the quick paste approach. Now, this is perfect for a fast and efficient way to get links into your document without any customization. The process really couldn't be simpler. All you need to do is start by copying the URL that you intend to include in your document. Once you've copied it, head over to your Google Doc and decide where you'd like this hyperlink to appear. You'll go ahead and paste the URL directly into your document. At this point, it'll just look like text. But here's the magic. Press the spacebar on your keyboard and voila! You'll see it change into a clickable link automatically. If you prefer, you can also add some punctuation at the end before pressing the spacebar, like a period or a comma, to make it blend more naturally into your text. This method is great for when you want to keep things simple and quick. Now moving on to method 2, which is all about adding a bit more polish to how your hyperlink looks. This is the custom text link method, perfect if you're aiming to integrate the link into a sentence more seamlessly or if you want the text to look more descriptive. Start by placing your cursor exactly where you want the link to appear in your document. Direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of your Google Docs page and click on the Insert Link button. It usually looks like a small chain link. You'll be presented with a small window where you will see two boxes. In the first box, type in the text you want to be displayed. This could be something like "click here" or "visit our website for more information." Now in the second box, you'll paste the URL you've copied. Double check that you've pasted the correct address and then go ahead and hit Apply. And there you have it. You've successfully created a hyperlink with custom text. And just like that, now you know how to masterfully add hyperlinks in Google Docs. It's super handy for improving the readability and functionality of your documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and smack the bell icon. This way you won't miss out on any of our upcoming tutorials designed to enhance your digital skills. Thanks for watching and see you next time.